which is a 10 decimeter cubic. Okay, now from there we are now going to say, so concentration so now the mass is 2.5 grams over so this is now going to be okay. So that's the answer. So this is just a simple formula. So I'm just trying to give you the basic fundamentals of how you can how you can calculate concentrations, and now you can be able to use the first formula that we are talking about. Okay. So now concentration equals to the mass, the volume, and then the mass that we have is 2.5, and then the volume is 10 grams decimeter cubic, and then now finally the final answer is 0.25 grams per cubic decimeters. Okay, and then now that's how you can simply answer the question of number 1. Okay, so that's the answer for question number 1. Now, so let's jump to number 2. Now, number 2 is a very big trick, because the volume isn't in the standard unit, okay, that we expected. So as from actually seeing that number 1, the volume should be in cubic decimeters, but for number 2, they gave us the volume in cubic centimeters. Okay, so the standard unit of volume, okay, it's either a decimeter cubic or a liters. Okay, so make sure you understand that, because normally this is even in the real world. When you are going to the market, maybe you are going to shopping or in any shop that you might go, you'll discover that when you are buying maybe a container of cooking oil or anything that is in liquid form, you're going to discover that the volume of that particular container, that regardless of the product that you're buying, the unit of that volume is normally liters. Okay, so the liter and the cubic decimeter are just one and the same thing. Okay, so now in this question number 2, the volume was given in cubic centimeters, so we have to change that from cubic centimeters to cubic decimeters. Okay, so I want you to understand how can you do that. Okay, so just follow me as I show you how to change from cubic centimeters to cubic decimeters. Okay, but before we do that, we have to understand what are the unit conversions. Okay, so 1, okay. Now the first thing that you're supposed to understand is that one decimeter cubic, okay, is always equal to 1 liter. Okay, so 1 decimeter cubic is the same as 1 liter. 5 decimeter cubic is the same as 5 liters. Okay, and then now 1 cubic decimeter is, in terms of centimeters, this is going to be 1,000. Okay, so 1 cubic decimeter equals to 1,000 cubic centimeters. Okay, so that is centimeters or centimeters. Okay, and then I think that's it. And then also we have, which is going to be, I think you wrote somewhere. This should written somewhere. Then Okay, so I want you to understand that you have to be careful. Okay, so this is a simple thing. So 1 decimeter cubic equals to 1 liter. 1 decimeter cubic is equals to 1,000 cubic centimeters. 1 decimeter cubic equals to 1